Hi Nevada Virtual Academy, welcome back. Another problem for the proficiency exam, algebra problem 29 number, right? The expression 5 square root 7 is the simplest radical form of, right? And you have four options here. How can you solve this problem? All right. Well, there are many ways. One way is to make sure you're putting this 5 back under the square root, and we're going to talk about that. Another way is to going back to your possibilities for an answer and see if each one of them simplified, or which one of them simplified will give you 5 square root 7. Okay, well, you can start by looking at your options here and seeing that, noticing that j square root of 35 is actually square root of 5 times 7, and in no way can be equal to 5 square root 7. Okay, you can go up to the next one, h. Well, h, I can rewrite the quantity under the square root as what? 175 is actually 25 times what? Think about 100. How many 25s you have in 100? And this is one to find that is think about quarters and how many quarters you have in a dollar, how many quarters you will have in $1.75. And you have how many dollars? How many quarters? 7 quarters, right? Now you can rewrite this as what? Square root of 25 times square root of 7. But square root of 25 is actually 5. And you have 5 times square root 7. And it seems to me that this is the answer, right? H will be the right answer. Now this is one way. Another way is to go back in here and think about that 5, right? 5 can be written as 5 squared under the square root, right? Times square root 7. Now, square root of 5 squared is actually square root of 25 times square root of 7, and I can rewrite the whole thing as 25 times 7 under the square root, which is square root of 175, okay? Which tells me again that H is the right answer. So these are two ways in which we can solve this problem. There may be other ways, whichever works for you. All right? Thank you, guys.